Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha and I'm from the Bodhi Academy and I am taking your maths classes. So today we are going to see the topic name, that is polynomials. Now, first of all, let's see what is monomial. In here, monomial, okay, generally you have terms, algebraic terms. We have learned algebraic expressions in lower standards. There you had terms, 4x square plus 2x. Okay, these were the terms. Now here, when you generally have only one term, this is called the variable, which varies, which is not constant, and this is called coefficient. This is also called coefficient, and this is called variable. Okay. Now, when you have only one, this is together called term. So when you have only one term, it is called polynomial, monomial. Sorry. Then binomial. Binomial when you have two terms, 2x plus 4y. Now here terms are 2x and 4y. So there are two terms. So it is called binomial. Then 2x square minus 6. So it is called binomial. These are the examples when you have two terms. Are they? When only one term is. And next is trinomial. When you have three terms. Like example here, 4x, 7y, 6. These are the three terms included here. So trinomial is three terms. So what is the difference between a monomial and binomial? That it is differentiated by either plus sign or minus sign. So this way you can differentiate monomials and binomials. Now, what are polynomials now? When there are more than two or more than two terms, it is called polynomial. So these are binomial and trinomial forms polynomial. Now, first of all, like terms. Now, what are like terms and unlike terms? Four x, comma 6x, comma minus 10x are like terms. If I say 4x again and if I say 6xy, then their variables vary, right? So these are unlike terms. Then number may be same, like number here may be same, but variable should not vary. Here y is also there, but here only x was there. So it is like term and this one is unlike term. Minus 11, then this is, yeah, minus 11y. Now this is one pair. Second pair may be 2xy, comma 11 minus 11 yx. Why xy and yx? Because x into y is xy. Again, y into x is xy or yx. So we can write it same. So these are the like terms and these are the unlike terms. Then only like terms you can add, like 4x plus addition. Addition. 4x plus 6y plus 8x suppose, and minus 11y. Now we can see here is like term of 4x is 8x. So only this you can add. 4 plus 8 is 12x. And like term of 6y is minus 11y, which can be minus 5y. So and this again cannot be added or subtracted because these are the unlike terms. Then same with subtraction. 4x minus 6y minus 8y suppose. Now you can see here is the like term are only two terms are like 6y and 8y. So only you can, so when it is minus minus, you add 6 plus 8, it will be 14y. Again this cannot be added because those are unlike. Then you have zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial is first x plus 7 is equal to 8 suppose. Now x will be equal to 8 minus 7. X is equal to 1. This is how you solve an a linear equation. Now what do you mean by linear? Quadratic and cubic. Now, linear is okay. If I give you one example, 2x plus 8, suppose. Now, you see only which are the variables. X is the variable. So, you have to see what is the power of that variable. Here, no power is there. That is not, number is not mentioned. So, you have to take it as 1. Now, here only power is 1. So, it is called degree. Now, what is degree? Highest power is 1 here. That is why it is called linear equation. Okay. Then quadratic. Quadratic is when see suppose 3x square plus 4y plus 8 suppose. Now here you can see highest power. Here you have 1, 2 and here you have 1. So here degree, that is highest power is 2. So that's why when degree is 2, it is called quadratic equation. Then you have cubic equation, that is see 4x cube plus 7y x plus 9 is equal to, you can write it anyhow, but the power, highest power should be 3. Here degree is 3. These are called linear, then quadratic and cubic equation. Now here, how to solve linear. And how to solve, suppose if you have x square plus 4 equal to 68. Now x square will be equal to 68 minus 4. Then x square will be equal to 68 minus 4 is 64. Now x equal to root of 64. So what is the root of 64? Which is 8. Plus or minus 8. Why plus or minus 8? Because minus 8 square is also 64 and minus plus 8 square is also 64. Now the zeros. Okay, I have already written this heading. Now what do you mean by zeros of a polynomial? Suppose if I have one expression x plus 2 equal to, okay, x plus 2 equal to 0. Now what should I substitute here? Then I'll get this equation as 0. That will be minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0, right? So we'll get 0. Answer is 0. So when I substitute x equal to minus 2, I'll get this full expression as 0. Again, suppose I have one equation x minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, and if I substitute my x equal to it, then 8 minus 8 will be equal to 0. So this x is equal to 8 is called the 0 of this polynomial. Then there are certain steps to find zeros of polynomial. That we will see in next class. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe.